MJ, John Ray, Han, and my husband. Finally, after 11 years, nangyari na yung bagay na pinakagugusto natin, which is yung makasal talaga.
I walked past the street of the Hotel. I just felt the weight of loving you more than myself.
Classmate po kami ng grade 5 and grade 6.
Nagkakilala pa po kami no elementary. Yun po. Dahil sikat naman siya sa campus niya. So yun, kilala ko na siya.
The still and so it up inside my veins. 'Cause I've been waiting what feels like my whole life.
Esophagus. Joke lang. Ayun. Ito na yung araw na matagal na nating hinihintay. Ito na yung araw na iharap kita sa altar kasama ang iyong nanay at tatay.
Said you had a place I really should see. We walked on the lake, we watched the stars.
Sabi ko dati kay Lord, kahit hindi maganda, basta mabait at hindi masungit. Pero, iba yung binigay ni Lord eh. Maganda na mapagmahal.
Something that feels like you in my home. Nobody feels like you in my home.
Malapit na, ilang oras na lang. So, kita ka sana na mamaya dun sa altar. At bigay mo yung pinaka-best na lakad mo na pinag-practicean mo. At yung kiss na pinag-practicean mo din. Ayun, so, yan. Mahal na mahal kita ba? Sobra-sobra.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with.
Salamat kay Lord, binigyan niya ako ng lalaking mamahalin ako ng totoo at tatagal ng 11 years and so on. Yung maintindihan ako lalo na paggalit ako. At yung swerte ko dahil sabay nating nagiging inspirasyon ang achievement natin bawat isa.
Perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows.
Natandaan mo pa ba nung nag-away tayo ng malala? Na halos ibalik mo kay Papa lahat ng mga nairegalo ko sa'yo? Pagka-uwi ko sa bahay, pinagalitan ako at sinabihan na ayusin ko to at huwag kitang paiyakin. Hindi ko malilimutan yung tinapik niya ako, sabay sabi ng, huwag na huwag mong papakawalan si Ferry dahil siya yung ramdam kong magmamahal at magpapalaga sa'yo ng tunay. Alam ko, masaya na si Papa ko.
When I'm feeling weak and sick, he knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows.
Nangako ko na mamahalin ka sa bawat araw na gagawin ng Diyos. Hindi ko sasayangin yung chance na binigay mo sa akin na maging katuwang mo sa buhay. Hindi ako mapapagod, palagi kang susuyuin, sa lahat ng pagkakataon, ikaw ang laging unang isipin. Maging hanggang sa kabilang buhay, ikaw ang aking pipiliin. Mahal na mahal ko.
And we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine.
Tandaan mo, kahit saan man tayo dalhin ng agos ng buhay, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kasama ang ating pamilya at harap ng Diyos, mahal na mahal kita. Jadri.
Cause he knows that only you can see me through. I give you mine.